Hi, I'm Susan from Sassy Stirrers. Since 2017, we have been offering cooking courses for the Duke of Edinburgh Awards scheme, and we are recognised as an approved award provider, which means our courses are approved for you to complete as part of your skills section of your award. We offer a couple of ways for you to complete the skills section of your award, either online or in person. Now, the in-person course, that happens in Surbiton, Surrey, that's in the UK, kicks off mid-September for 3 months. The most popular way that students complete the skills section of their award is using one of our online courses. These are very popular because it means that you can complete your cooking skills at home in your own time, and it also means that you can start any time of the year. Maybe when you're less busy with your school work or your sports fixtures or your social life. We offer a large range of online courses. There's the all-rounder. Now, I'll just talk you through the all-rounder. That starts with baking, like cakes and cookies, muffins. Then we move into some savoury treats such as sausage rolls, and you'll learn how to make short crust pastry, make that into little apple tarts. Some midweek meals such as a pasta bake, a one-pot roast, a delicious curry, stir fries, and then you finish off with some well-deserved puddings. But there's street food courses, there's Pescatarian, there's Gluten-Free, there's plant-based courses. There's too many to tell you about here. But if you look on the website under your award level, you will see the whole list of courses there and more details about the recipes included. So another reason why our courses are very popular is that we are very flexible. I get a lot of good feedback from students about this at the end of their course, because if you're not fussed with one of the recipes, you just ask us for an alternative, or you swap it out for your own choice. We're always around to help you. Doesn't matter where you are. We just want you to know that it's simple, it's fun, and you will learn to love cooking. Cooking is such an important life skill to have. If you've got any more questions or queries, please feel free to get in touch either by email or phone. And hopefully, one day soon, we'll be helping you achieve the skills section of your award.